Welcome to Tiny Beats! Shh. Close your eyes and sing with me. Let's dream our way from A to Z. A is for apple, shiny and red. B is for blanket, tucked in bed. C is for clouds, drifting by. D is for dreams that dance in the sky. E for evening, calm and deep. F for fireflies glowing as you sleep. G is for gentle, the night so kind. H for hugs that ease your mind. I for insects softly sing. J for joy that night will bring. K for kisses, good night dear. L for love, always near. M for moonlight, soft and bright. N for night, peaceful and light. O for owl, who hoots, hoo hoo. P for pillow, waiting for you. Q for quiet all around. R for rain, a sleepy sound. S for stars that twinkle high. T for teddy by your side. U for umbrella folded tight. V for velvet dreams tonight. W for whisper soft and slow. X for exuct so love will grow. Y for yawns your eyes will close. Z for Z the sweetest doze. Now we've sung from A to Z. Sleep well my dear so peacefully. ABC, good night to me. Dreams are floating soft and free. Tiny Beat says sleep so tight. Bye-bye, friends. See you next time on Tiny Beats.